Stay here and spot me. Wait for my go. Alright, the ice is good. Follow me. Good luck, mate. I'll see you on the far side. Hold on! Don't let go!
Roach, check your heartbeat sensor. You should be able to see me on the scope. That blue dot is me. Any unrecognized contacts will show up as white dots. Roach, these Muppets have no idea we're here. Let's take... You take the one on the left. On 3. Storm is brewing up. Let's split up. I'll use a thermal scope and provide overwatch from this ridge. Use the cover of the storm to enter the base. You'll be a ghost in this blizzard, so the guards won't see you until you're very close. Keep an eye on your heartbeat sensor. Good luck. He's mine. I'll take this one. Alright, I've tapped into their comms. Head southeast and plant your C4 at the fueling station. We may need to go to Plan B if things go south. There's a truck coming. Stay out of sight. Stay out of sight. You've alerted some guards. Hold up. I'm seeing some activity on the runway. Looks like 20+ foot mobiles headed your way. That's the fueling station. You found it. I'm picking up more radio traffic about the satellite. Stand by. Got it. Sounds like the satellite's in the far hangar. Race you there. Oscar Mike, out. Picking up large heat signatures near the tower. Could be BMPs. I'd avoid that area.
Too good scenic, eh? Let's go.
Go upstairs and look for the ACS module. Roach, I'm being compromised. Keep a low profile and hold your fire. Roach, go to Plan B.
Stay close and hug the wall. We use the MiGs for cover and cross the tarmac to the southeast. I'll cover you! To the east, Roach, go! Head for the MiG, I'll cover you! To the east, Roach, go! Head for the MiG, I'll cover you! To the east, Roach, go! Come to me! I'll make a run for the next MiG. Give me some covering fire. To the east, Roach, go! to me! Take that snowmobile! Let's get the hell out of here! Rose, get on that snowmobile! Let's go!
Kilo 6-1, the primary exfil point is compromised. We're en route to the backup LZ using enemy transport. Meet us there, over. Bravo 6, this is Kilo 6-1. Roger that, out. More tangos to the rear! Just outrun them! Go, go! Don't slow down! Keep moving or you're dead! Go, go, go! Come on! Kilo 6-1, we're taking heavy fire, but we're almost there. Stand by. In the throttle, keep going. Heavy careful, let's go. Bravo 6, we have you on visual. Get your ass down